Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your address to your new Amazon account. So when you just create an Amazon account, guys, you don't get to enter your address right away, but you'll have to fill in these details right after. So how do you do that? Once you're signed in, look towards the upper right hand side. You'll have the welcome and your name. If you want to hover over that account and list, you'll have a list there. You want to choose account from the options there, and you want to look for your address in the list. If you click on that, you'll have your addresses, and you can add multiple addresses to your Amazon account. Keep that in mind as well. But as this is your first time, you need to go ahead and add an address here. So click on add address here, and from here you want to basically choose the correct country that you have and enter your full name. So I'm going to go ahead and enter full name here. I'm going to go ahead and enter, for example, a street. And yeah, you can go ahead and you can enter, whatever you want. So you can go ahead and enter all of those addresses. I'm going to go ahead and enter my address here, or enter address here rather. And then for the phone number, you can always go ahead and add it. So let's say you're going to add a phone number here, then right. So that's it. That's my address, my phone number. Once I'm done, I'm going to just go ahead and click on add address, and it's going to go ahead and add the address. And as you can see right here, guys, that the address is added, and you can always go ahead and make changes to this at any point in time, right? So here it says add new ID. You can add some ID if you so desire. You can skip that for now and just simply click and continue, and that's it. Your address is now added. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you want to use this address, you can make it as default. You can always edit it if you so desire, and if you want to remove it at any point, you can always remove that. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.